Yo. Hello and welcome. My name is David Osamoje. Hope that was not too loud. If it was loud, sorry, I was just trying to wake the mind up because today we're going to design another Canva T Shirt design. Yes, another Canva T Shirt design. If you're just joining me for the first time, my name is David Osamoje. I'm the owner and founder of What a T Shirt Design. So without wasting much of your time, we are going to go straight right into the design. Then we can talk about the subscription, the like and share later on. So let's open Canva. So open Canva Design. Canva.com is an online design platform. You guys, most of the subscribers on my channels are here because of Canva Design. So I have a good news. I'm going to stick with that. As long as you guys keep watching and you guys subscribe, I'm gonna stick with Canva T-shirt design. It's super easy, not complicated, won't be expensive, to deliver. So it's just the way it is. So I'll click on create a new design. Create new design. The standard is 4500 by 5400 pixel, nothing more, nothing less. Create design. And today we're going to be working on a dog niche. A dog niche design. I love dogs. I don't know about you, but I love them. So I'll come to upload. As you can see, this corner, for those using Canva for the first time, this corner is where you want to be. You get your elements, your photos, your templates, element, photo, text, music, videos, anything you want to put in here. But for this, we're going to go to upload because I have my design on my desktop already. My system, so I just go to pictures. I'm gonna do DG. So this is my design. I'm gonna just click open and it's going to load. It's going to load it up here. So while it loads, before I finish loading, I just want to say please subscribe if you are just joining me for the first time. Like and share this video. And we are good to go. You see, it did take us 2 more time whilst it was still loading. I said subscribe please, so that you don't miss out on daily videos. I upload videos daily. I don't know about any other t-shirt design expert or person on YouTube which does daily design video. I do that, so you want to subscribe so that you don't miss out on daily videos. Daily video content on t-shirt design I will always deliver. And this t-shirt design help you make passive income on Redbubble, Teespring, Match by Amazon, TeePublic. So please don't click off, watch to the end. I always advise you, if you want to be a loyal follower, if you want to be a loyal money maker, please don't ever click off of a video. Just always watch the video, learn the designs and make designs daily. You can upload to all these sites and make passive income. We're talking 200 to 10 figures a month, $200 to 10 figures a month in dollars from t-shirt design. So please always watch my videos to the end. It's an advice I'm giving you. Please take it, and at the end of the year you should be proud you took the advice. So we just click on this once. Now our design is here. As you can see, this design was one I made myself. Yes, I'm a freelancer, I'm a graphic designer, so I know this, but they are not complicated designs. These elements are something I got. You see, if I put them off, as you can see, they are just designs I got myself. And these shapes are normal shapes which I put up together on Photoshop. Is something you can do in Canva, but I love to do them in Photoshop. Is what you can do in Canva. So if you want me to do it from scratch in Canva, just let me know down in the comment and I'll make a exact same video, but this time I'll make them on Canva. So now I'm just showing you this based on if you get your design from site like Flat Icons, or you already have your design from sites you got, maybe designs you got from Fiverr.com or from me. If you want me to make your designs for you, just let me know. My Instagram handle will always be there at David Osamoje. Just let me know, send me a DM that you want me to design design for you, and I will gladly do that for you. We'll just talk about the budgeting and all. Don't worry, super cheap if you want me to do that for you. So now that we have our design, we'll just click on download. Remember, when you're using Canva free version, you can't download without the white background. You're going to have the white background. I'm going to show you in step 2 how to remove the white background, so stick around. I know some people don't want to spend their money on this, but some people already have Photoshop, or you already have friends and family who have Photoshop. So I'll show you in step 2 how to remove the white background, so stick around. So just click on download. and now you can see transparent background. You see there's a crown. That means you need to be on a pro version to download that, so you don't need that. Just click on download, and let's download our design first. This is step 1 of step 3, so follow me to this final step if you want to learn. Once you watch about, I can give you a guarantee, if you watch about 10 of my Canva T Shirt Design videos, which I'm going to link at the end of this video, you're going to be a pro in designing. You're going to notice it's super easy to download this and to add this and that to Canva and make your own design. So it's super easy. You go to show folder, make sure you always do that so that you make sure your download came out neat and it's not showing you an error or something. So now just right click, open with Photoshop. This is the second stage. I want to remove the white background. I'm going to be removing the white background, as you can see. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make another layer. So I'll click on this folded paper. It says create new layer. I'll click on that. Then I'll click on layer 0. So now I'll click on this magic word tool. Click on it once. It's a magic word tool. It's a magic stick. You know, if you watch Harry Potter, you understand what that means. So it's a magic word tool, as you can see. So now I'll click on this white background. And now I'll just click on delete on my keyboard. It's going to get that white background out, and it has gotten it out. So if I click on this black, it's going to get it out. I'm doing that because I want a special effect. I need a special effect from this so that no matter the shirt it's on, it's going to, the dog element is going to determine the shirt is on. So if it's on a blue shirt, the dog head will be blue. If it's on a white shirt, the dog head will be white. I hope you get the drill. So that's what I'm trying to create out of this. So this is not just to remove the background, it's to create an effect I want on this shirt design. So to do that, I'm just using my magic tool, clicking on the black and deleting on my keyboard, pressing the delete button on my keyboard. Click on the black, press your delete button, 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 click on the black, and press your delete button. It's as simple as that. It's not complicated. So if you don't want to get Canva Pro, you can just get this and use this. It works same way. Now you just have to save it. So I'm going to go to save as picture DG. Yeah, and I'm going to save it as PNG. Remember, when you want to save without the background, always save as PNG. Always save as PNG. Yeah, I had it before, so I'm going to rewrite it. So yes, and yes again. So now you see we have the design. Now we've moved from stage 1, which is making our design on Canva, to stage 2, which is removing the white background and creating this extra effect to get it on different shades. Now we are moving on to stage 3, which is to place it on our 3D mockup. It's very important you place your design on your 3D mockup, because when you're starting out, you want to promote your design on social media, and if you just put your plain design, nobody's seeing what you're trying to portray. So you need a 3D mockup. So you know, from looking at my YouTube channel, you already know I have a specific 3D mockup I use with my anger mockup. So I'm opening my anger mockup. We're going to be using my anger mockup for this. It's something you can get. If you need the mockup, just let me know. I'll show you where to get it. It's not a complicated mockup design. You will love it. It's not a complicated mockup design. So now all you have to do is you have to go to where it says your design goes here. You double tap. It's going to open this. You delete that. So now you bring in your new design, which we just made, which is our DG, the dog design. This is it. We just drag it in. As you can see, it's now in there. So now we just reduce it. To reduce that, we're going to press 3 buttons. Remember, to use this mockup, you need to have Photoshop. To use this mockup, you need to have Photoshop. There are other mockups you can get online, which you can just put on Canva and just place your design on top. But sometimes you need to have this mockup so that you can do it easy without pain, and you can change design from design. You can change the color of the shirts, because from the mockups you get on Google and the rest, you can't change the color of the shirts if you use it, if you put it through Canva. But with this, you can change the color of the shirt, and that's what I'll show you. So the first step now in this second stage, this third stage story, is to reduce this. So you over your mouse to this edge. Then you are going to press down 3 buttons, your Alt key button, your Shift key button, and your left mouse click button, and you drag inwards. to reduce, drag outwards to increase, drag inwards to reduce. So now we've dragged it inwards, we just press enter, and now we'll go back and click on save. And now when we go back to our shirt, we're going to see it's on our shirt. It's going to be on our shirt. So now I don't want it, it's kind of slanty, and I don't want it like that, but I can leave it like that. It's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. What do you think? It's kind of cool, so I can leave it like that. But I want to change the color of the shirt. I'll change the color of the shirt. As you can see, it's on white. It's on white, and I don't want it to be on white. I like this blue, but let's check other colors. Let's see how black is going to look on black. Super black. I don't want it to be super black. Don't want it to be super black, so I'll just try to find cancel. Let's just see. Okay. As you can see, it's on a black shirt, but I'll try to change it to a different color. Let me see what yellow has to offer me. I don't like that much. So we just keep scrolling to find a good color. This I do it, I just keep scrolling till I get a color I think I'm okay with. So like this design, So now we're done with that. We just press OK. And now we'll go over to file and save it. I'm gonna save as DG, save as JPEG. Now you have your design. You can just send it to your influencers. You have influencers on Instagram or Facebook, on Pinterest. All these influencers who have great followings from 50, 20, in fact from 20k upwards. Make sure you check their engagement rates. That's very important. You want to make sure they have an above 10% engagement rate on their followings. You just meet them for pet page, dogs, dog page on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and just tell them you want them to help you promote your t-shirt, and you guys bargain the price, and you guys are good to go. You just promote, and in no time you start making sales. Once you make your first 5 sales, Public, Teespring, Redbubble, Match by Amazon starts to give you organic promotions, and you start making sales, passive income, more money, 6 figures. That's the aim. This channel is for us to make 6 figures together. I'm hiding nothing from you guys. I'm going to be hiding nothing from you guys. But I'll just advise that the only thing you guys can do for me, watch my videos, watch them to the end, share these videos and promote them. Help me help you make more designs. To your right, you see my playlist, my Canva T Shirt Design playlist. Make sure you watch those playlists so that you can learn. Watch about 10 videos. Just bench watch them. Watch about 10 videos and watch as you practice. Watch, practice. In 1 week, you'll be super good in doing this, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Have a good day.